So the fact is, these rings you only find at my collection, and these are unisex. I created them in different sizes. You see, for example, this one is size 10. This one is size 9. I have from size 4, the smallest size for the very tiny finger, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, even 14 for the fat fingers. This is one of the biggest problem on every individual who wants to find a ring. If it's your problem, comment below yes. And guess what? At my place, there is no such problem because I solve it. I create any size ring that you wish for. So go ahead, check out my website. These best-selling are the best Christmas gift ever you can give to your loved one. I have even more. You have to check them all right now. You can check the other video that I created with the eye ring. Check it out and comment below. I see you.